In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S21 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S21 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll want to do is go to your phone app. You're going to type in *#06 and then you're going to hit pound again. I've already typed it in. We're going to hit the last number here, which is pound. And that's going to show us our IMEI. Now make sure you write down this first number right here. We're going to need that for later on in the video. Next, we're going to go home, and then we're going to go to the Google Chrome app, and you're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few quick prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. Next, find the model. Now make sure you go down to the Galaxy section, so the G's. Galaxy, and then go all the way down to S21. All right, Galaxy S21. Now we're going to tap Unlock Now. You're going to slide up, fill out a few more questions. So where you purchased the phone, which country, also the carrier. In this case, we did purchase it from T-Mobile. Tap Next. And then here it will give you a rough estimate after you fill out your information. So you're going to type in that IMEI that we first put in at the very beginning of the video. So that number I told you to write down, type that in here, your full name, your delivery email where you want them to send you the final instructions, and your phone number. And then you're going to tap Order Now to put your order in. Now this is the breakdown of the cost. So normally this is what it will cost, but this is what you're going to pay, and this is the average turnaround time. Now keep in mind the turnaround times do vary, but usually they lean closer towards the first number, but they always kind of provide some extra space just to give more time. So that's about how much time it's going to take for them to email you your unlocking instructions, and in some cases your unlocking PIN. So the process does vary depending on the carrier that you have, and also depending on the model as well. So again, those delivery times will vary. Now, one thing I want to point out here, on the website, they do have a toll-free number you can call to get help. There's also a number that you can text 24 hours a day. So if you run into any issues trying to unlock your phone, you can reach someone to help you with the process. And one of the cool things I love about this site is that they will give you a full refund if they're unable to unlock your phone. So you're covered in that regard. Now, the very last step of the process here, so essentially you would be waiting now after you have put in your payment information and submitted your order. You're waiting for them to email you the final instructions. Now, unlocking the phone does vary from time to time, so I can't tell you the last few steps of the process, but once you get that email that has the final steps in it, the last thing you'll have to do is take out your SIM card. So in the box of your phone, you will find one of these little tools here. It's called a SIM tool, and you just pop it in the bottom here, just press like this, and it will pop out your SIM tray. Take this out, put in the SIM card of the new service you want to use it with, for example, Verizon or Cricket or AT&T, put that SIM card in there, close it, and then in most cases, the phone will prompt for you to restart the phone. So hold the power button, restart your phone, and then follow the last few steps in your email from the unlocking company on finishing your unlock. So hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. I will leave a link below to the website of where you can go and get your phone unlocked. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, have a good one.